Welcome to TradeRep. This is Shorthammer. It is the 18th of August, 2019, and this is TradeRep's Week in Review. Now, this was a very choppy, very volatile week that we saw wild swings in the market, and we were shaken out of a few positions, but still managed to put on some great trades this week. Charttech caught URI puts. So at around Wednesday, 9:38 a.m., URI 105 puts August 16th for 65 cents. Took those bad boys to 205. They went a little bit higher, but we exited around 205. Great call by Charttech. Friday, around 10:04 a.m., Charttech grabbed AMD August 23rd, 32 call for 50 cents. Now, you could have exited these at around 70, 75 for a 50% gainer. Some people did scale out, and there's some that are holding and riding these into next week. But great call by Charttech. Great gain already for the members. Just can't beat that ROI. Solid trade. Dave Trader got in on ALBO on a nice little dip. A lot of these tickers he does his research on prior, and so he's waiting for specific levels. He got an ALBO at 2098 on Thursday around 2:55 p.m. and he says he's swinging this into January, but it already had a nice gainer here. Not sure if he scaled out or if he's still holding. He usually scales out some, secures the bag, and rides the rest. And if it dips, he'll average, get a little bit more in there and ride it back up again at key levels. But he never lets it go red. Great trade by Dave here. Great trade for the members. Those that scaled out already profited on this. Solid trade here. Dave with GTHX. Now, this was a ticker he got in June on the 17th. Earlier this year, and he slid in. It's about 2 months ago at $19.05, and on Friday, this thing went as high as $40. Now that's insane. That's absolutely insane. So should I say Thursday? It was at $40. Great gainer, great trade by Dave. He does his fundamental research, and he has these tickers that he just puts in these great entries on and rides them and scales at different levels as this thing climbs. So great trade by Dave again. And yes, Dave is still in UGAS. Now this is a call from Elisa on PSTV. So right around 8:40 a.m., I believe this was on Friday, that PSTV, she gave levels, and this bad boy took off and ran. There was a pullback, but it ran all day long pretty much. A little bit of consolidation here and took off again. And she gave levels throughout the day of entries and exits and scale out points for people to be able to take profits and to scale back in and ride this thing. So great call by Elisa on PSTV. On Monday, Lisa called RKDA at around 7:23 a.m. Gave you the levels, and look at this run on RKDA. And I believe throughout the week, members were able to eat off of this from different calls and alerts of different levels of entries and exits on this ticker. Great call by Lisa again. Kelly called the futures. So at 7:30 p.m. on Tuesday, which is right about here, she was saying watch for the 28.53 level, and the targets of 28.71 to 28.53 are the buy zones. And so a break on the 28.89, and it spilled down here into 28.53. It was like 54ish, like about $1 away. So if you got long this and rode this back up, that is a good 30 points on the futures if you took her levels and her alerts. She gave other commentary on this if you followed up with her on it. But this was a good, nice, solid trade here on the futures. Great call by Kelly. Now, right before the open on Friday, Kelly was saying, hey, guys, watch the 2880. That's resistance. We popped over that. So at the open, we were approaching the 2889 area, I believe. And she's saying the next level to watch is 2900, 2914, 2922, 2933, 2945. So she gives you these zones to watch. And so we went from the 2880s all the way up to about 2938, 2940 on the ES. So solid call by Kelly again, giving you levels to watch. And this thing opened up and ripped to the upside. Now we have Quantum that on Tuesday he was looking at what was going on and saying, hey, I'm cutting these positions because of the craziness that's coming out of China as far as the news and just the I'll say the increase or the acceleration in the trade war, the tit for tat between Washington and China. But he took Lotto SPY, August 14th, 288 put, went from 24 cents to $1.25. Nice pop here. And if you'd rolled this thing out, you could have got even greater gains if you held this thing for the tippy top. But great trade by Quantum. On Thursday, heading into Friday, right before the close, Quantum strangled the SPY. 288 call for 34 cents and the 280 put for 32 cents. August 16th expiration. So the put went worthless, but the calls, these bad boys ran right about from 34 to $1.20, 250%. Great gainer, great trade by Quantum. Great alert, members profited, ate well off of that. Now, if you like some of the trades that we've taken and some of the alerts and you're interested or you have questions, don't hesitate to join the live chat. Go to trade-rep.com, click on the join live chat button right here at the top, or you can go to the description tab in this YouTube video and click on our link. Feel free to sign up. We offer a free trial. You can check out the way that we trade, our alerts, the information that we share, how we provide charts and setups, and how we interact with our members. And also, we have just so much more to offer, an incredibly supportive community. We also have a learning center if you're a new trader and you're just looking to get into trading to be able to understand what's going on. We have an expansive learning center with a lot of learning material and educational material for you to be able to grow your trading. And for experienced traders that have been around for a while, that same learning center has so many different types of strategies that you can find new tools for the toolbox. Also, what we offer on Sundays is a weekly prep. So on Sunday, you can hop on with us. It's 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We offer a prep where you can sit on a stream with Elisa, give her your tickers, and she'll give you the high probability expectations of where that ticker can go, what you should look for in the upcoming week. That's on Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bring your tickers, and we'll give you some high probability setups. Thank you, and I look forward to trading with you.